Hello, my name is Andy and I am the Village Idiot. I'm armed with a car and a GoPro and an unhealthy amount of time on my hands. We're in Doncaster again. This is another tiny village, really close to the A1. Let's see where it is. That's going to do us for Marr, a picturesque little village not far from the A1. So, like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this one. As ever, I have my Buy Me a Coffee link and my Facebook group links in the description. If there's anything else you can tell me about Marr, then feel free to let me know. I will, of course, be covering the other villages that border it very soon. The likes of Brodsworth and High Melton, Barnborough and Harlington as well are coming up soon as well. So, thanks very much for watching this one. I've been the Village Idiot and I'm out.